Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing the Orgasm X collection from Nars. I can already tell it's to die for. So this is the look that I have come up with the quad, the blush palette and highlight. I will swatch this as well. It's the mini orgasm palette. In fact, let's just do that now. It's really mini, which is beautiful for traveling and beautiful for presents. So that's the top 3 shades, and these are 2 metallic sort of, oh wow, look at those. So that is the whole palette swatched for you. I really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I basically just went for it, used all 4 colors of this beauty just here. As you can see, I've used all 4, and if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching. So guys, my base is done with the Nars primer and Nars Sheer Glow in Barcelona. I'm using the Radiant Creamy Concealer to just do some concealing and highlighting under my eyes. I'm then going to blend that with my fingers because fingers are the best tool for makeup. Then taking the Orgasm X quad, I'm going to use all 4 shades because I want to show how wearable they are. I love that matte rosy sort of dusky pink. The colours are just absolutely beautiful. Let's swatch them. I am going to do a tutorial with this palette here, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like, the mini orgasm. This is the Orgasm X blush trio. That's the highlighter, blush, and then the Orgasm X in the middle. This is the finger swatches of the quad, and I will just put those on the back of my hand for you to have a look. The colours in person are even more stunning. I'm starting off by mapping out my crease and really blending and blasting the matte colour from the palette out. Build that up to the intensity that you want to create. You can always add more. Then I'm going to put some of the mix of the shimmery glittery shades, and then I'm putting the lighter on the top to open up the eye, and then blend with the matte again. Now taking a pointy dome brush, I'm putting the deep purple as a liner underneath to smoke out the bottom lash line, and then I'm taking the matte rose dusk pink shade and then really smoking that out. These colours were all used, and then any tidying up that needs doing, just go back in with your concealer. I'm the shade Ginger. Taking this pencil from Nars, I'm going to actually smudge this into, I think it's called Broadway. I'm just going to blend this all around my lash line, on my lids a little bit to give like a secret definition. Taking my Nars Climax mascara, and I'm really just going to build the lashes. This is a mascara that does not clump at all. I absolutely adore this mascara. If you hold it for 10 seconds, you'll get a lovely curl, and I just love to apply this to my heart's content. You can see my lashes are looking so volumized. Taking Paradise Found Laguna bronzer, I'm going to do some light contouring with my Wayne Goss large artist brush. This bronzer is an absolute joy to put on. I reach for it every single time. Pop a little bit down the nose. It doesn't have to be so strict and strategic like contouring. It can be a nice lived-in makeup. I'm also taking some of this bronzer and popping that in my crease just to tie everything together and really mix those shades in. Now taking the Orgasm X blush trio, I'm going to use the Orgasm X blush with the medium Wayne Goss brush. I am in love with this blusher. Look at it. It's got the perfect shimmer, sheer, pink, hot orange. It's just amazing in person. I really love it. Hey guys, I am back now, no voiceover because Max actually woke up and I had to go and see to him. So I got changed and my makeup is still looking amazing. I love this Orgasm X blush. Nars just makes me really, really happy. So what I thought I would do is finish off the look. So this has, as I mentioned, Orgasm, Orgasm Blush, and Orgasm Highlighter, and Orgasm X. Let's go ahead. Wow. Oh, the highlight is just there straight away. That's amazing. And I'm wearing all 4 shades from the Orgasm X quad, and because the colour in there isn't as light as this highlight, I'm going to pop this right in the inner corner to open up. Wow, I love this. Let's do a little bit more Orgasm X. Now to finish this look off, I'm going to put on the lip tint in Orgasm X. I already have it in Reef, I already have it in Laguna and Orgasm. Oh wow. These are summer sultry hues if there ever were them. Oh god, these feel like silk. So guys, that is how I achieved that look. I have my Nars Sheer Glow in Barcelona on and my skin feels light, it feels like skin. It is absolutely stunning. And the Climax mascara is my all-time favourite. This never clumps, and if you need to add some in between wears, it doesn't go crispy on you. If you hold it, look at how it's just built that up for me. If you hold it 10 seconds, it gives them a curl. This is my favourite mascara. So I shall be back with a lot more to review and a lot more to show you. Keep those subscriptions coming in. Guys, I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, this is my shot in natural light. This makeup looks absolutely stunning. It just glows and bounces off the skin. The eyeshadow is so gorgeous.